Here comes Holden. Down the chairlift with Aunt Erica and Elena. I see him kicking his feet. He went all the way to the top of Baldy. Oh, I can hear him. Yay! Was that fun? Yeah! Woo! Yeah! Did you go to the top of the mountain?
Yeah.
Oh, was it fun? Oh, did you have fun?
Yeah.
Is this a good day?
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
It's what?
It was windy out.
It was windy outside?
It was starting to rain.
It was starting to rain, huh? Wow.